welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you looking for a garden or yard decor which is made by Achla, the premier manufacturer of bird baths? If you're looking for a beautifully made bird bath, then the glass bird bath bowl iron light green compatible with Achla twist stakes is the answer for you. This is a kit consisting of a beautifully fern green bird bath and wrought iron cradle which will turn your garden into a pleasant looking haven for birds and people as well. Do not leave your garden unattended and dull. Restore your garden's harmonic beauty with this item. This is ideal for garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 3.5 by 13 by 13. Weight is 3 pounds. This item is also compatible with Achla twist stakes, which is not included with the package that you will be getting. Buy the glass bird bath bowl iron light green compatible with Achla twist stakes today at a very affordable price, and have a way to decorate your garden with this elegant item. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.